is LeetCode problem number 54, spiral matrix. Before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now back to the problem. The problem spiral matrix asks us to traverse a 2D matrix like this one in a spiral order, meaning that we start from the top left corner and go right across and then move down the rightmost column and then move left the bottom row and then finally move up the leftmost column. We continue this spiral process until we cover all elements of the matrix. Now let us take a look at the solution. I call this implementation as adjust boundary markers pattern because that's what you are doing. We traverse along the boundaries and then adjust the markers to mark the boundaries we have visited. So that's what makes it as a spiral. So let us take a look at the solution. The spiral order takes a 2D matrix and converts into a 1D matrix with the spiral order traversal. This is just a God case against a empty matrix. We declare the resultant vector, and these two lines are indicating or initializing the top and then the bottom to the bottommost row, and then left to 0, both top and left to 0, and then right to the rightmost column. You can use any of the indices here because all of them are of same size, so we can use 0 as well. So this is the while loop which actually gets the job done. There are the while loop while top is less than or equal to bottom and while left is less than or equal to right, means there are still additional elements to visit, and that's once these crosses means there is no more, we have completed the matrix. So this one is there like 4 traversal loops. So the first one is from left to right across the top row, and then you adjust the top, and then the next one is from top to bottom on the right column, and then you decrement the right to indicate that you already processed that. And so if there are still rows to process, that's what this one means. And you traverse from right to left across the bottom row and then decrement the bottom. And if there are still columns to process, you traverse from bottom to top and you increment the left, and then finally you return the result. So basically, like, this approach breaks down the matrix traversal into 4 directional movements: left to right, top to bottom, right to left, and bottom to left. By updating the boundaries after each movement, the solution gradually reduces the matrix to smaller submatrices until all elements have been processed. And the time complexity is order of m times n, because that's the number of rows, and m is the number of rows and n is the columns, as we visit each element exactly once. Now let us take a look at this run the LeetCode example we saw at the beginning of this video. So we initialize top to 0, bottom to 2, left equals to 0, right equals to 2, traversing from left to right on row 0. So that gets us both 1, 2 and 3, and then you update top equals to 1, and then you traverse from top to bottom on column 2, and then you get 6 and 9, and update right equals to 1, and then traverse from right to left on row 2, and so that gets you 8 and 7, and update bottom equals to 1, and then traversing from bottom to top on column 0, you get only one matrix 1 comma 0 to 4, and then you updated left equals to 1, and traversing from left to right on row 1, you got matrix 1 1 and 5, and then updated top to 1, and then if you see top to 2, and then bottom equals to 1, so that crosses the while, that makes you to come out of the while loop, and then this is the resultant vector. Comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.